Hi, welcome to this unboxing of Live API Creator. Before you start, make sure you've got the right version of Java, then download the zip and unzip it. Here I place it on my desktop, any place is fine. CD to that folder, and then run the start.sh. It would be a similar command for Windows. And that starts the server. The server is a self-contained Jetty, so there's nothing to configure or install. It should just start like this. This is the message that shows when it started. Please grab the URL there and start that in a browser. Admin, capital P, password 1. The first thing to do is click on the big green box for the Learning Center. Please don't just click around. That won't get you where you want to go. And run the quick start. Click the next video to see how to do that.